This is part two to pride, prideful, and full. Okay, so let's talk about man-made pride, aka false sense of pride. This is not something that is centered or comes from inside oneself. This is the pride and bad ego together that wants to claim others' achievements as their own because of coming in contact with a person or telling them something that you feel made them able to become a success. AKA, I am the reason why you. If it wasn't for me, you lucky I did this. I told him if he did that, he would get there. In other words, of Jay-Z saying it, I heard people saying they made Hove. Made Hove say, okay, so make another Hove. Another example is if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't be here. I brought you in this world. I can take you out. I could have aborted you. I could have flushed you down the toilet. Whenever you hear your parents say these things, you need to realize they are being prideful and also looking to claim any of your success, achievements, or accomplishments as their own. This is when you know your parents are prideful, are full of pride, are foolish fools with the man-made sense of false pride. How dare your parents, in a moment of anger, tell you their true feelings while lying during your whole life with them in fake moments of happiness? How dare them think that without them you wouldn't be here? No, without me you wouldn't be here. You are not my purpose to be here. I am your purpose to be here. So without me, there's no you. Not the other way around. You must feel so great in a moment or fits of rage saying hurtful things to me. If you brought me in this world, you only did it subconsciously so you would be in this world. I am you. You are me. There is only one complete, almighty, divine energy behind everything that is broken and spread into pieces. This is Master and Teach Virgo, checking in with a part two of Pride, Prideful, and Full. A re-upload. I hope the sound came out better this time. Checking in and checking out. Gone.